IronCAD's bulk view creation tool allows you to quickly create assembly drawings, part drawings, using a simple tool. In some cases, you may have already created a part drawing or an assembly drawing and want to add additional components to it at a later stage. The tool now has this capability. For example, we already have a bulk view creation tool already created for our main file, and we also have one. If we double click, we can see we have a part drawing file as well, which I believe has 3 or 4 sheets already created in it. Now we want to add some new part files to our drawing. For example, maybe we have a catalog component here that we want to position in our location up here on our hole, for example. We'll just snap it up here and we'll reverse that. And maybe we'll make some copies of this as well. We'll make a copy over here. Make a linked version of that. And we'll do another one of those over here as well. We also maybe have another part here, in this case a sheet metal component, that we want to position. As we can see, we need to rotate this down a little bit, say 90 degrees, and orient it so it goes into the slot. So we'll just turn it 90 degrees as well. And then we can just simply drag and drop this component into the slots that it belongs to here. Now that we got that positioned, we can see that feature automatically created there and placed in position. So these are the new components that we added to our file, and we want to add that to our existing part drawing. So all we have to do is go into our tree and select the new components, and since these are linked, we only need to select one of those because it automatically will deselect the other ones. But we have these 2 components that are newly added that we want to add drawings for. Now we can run our bulk view creation tool, go ahead and select our part drawing file, and we have a new selection filter here to help you clear your tree. For example, we have some parts that are already predefined for that original drawing that we had up. If you run this tool, you can clear all the parts and components, or you can clear very selected ones. So if you were to create a new assembly files, you can tell it to clear and leave only the assembly file selected, or you can clear and leave only the part files that are selected. So these are from the scene, whatever selected. If you run this, you'll notice all these got cleared. If we scroll down, these are our new components that we have selected, and they remain selected for us, so we can quickly add those to our part drawing. So now if we run our tool, it'll load that file, and you can see it's got the existing drawing files, then added our 2 new sheets here. If we can see this is our sheet metal component that we have, and this is our other part that we have added to our existing set of sheet metal parts. If we click on these, you can see these existing files already there for us. So a very nice, handy tool to allow you to run updates to existing part file drawings, assembly drawing files, or any drawing for that matter that's used in the bulk creation tool. So you can update those at any stage.